We're probably not gonna make our Flixbus. Everything gonna be late, bro. Everything gonna be late. We're not gonna make our. We had to get a Flixbus. You're not getting a Flixbus.
Get a third party.
A third party bus. It might not have air.
Oh shit! It definitely might not have.
And it won't have a bathroom, and there won't be Wi-Fi. Alright, it's like day 50. Back in Berlin, currently at a street fest on a Monday. I just got on these trampolines, tried to backflip. I can't backflip, but I did today, assisted. But stopping got food. I came to this African spot. It's like a street vendor. Never had jollof rice. A lot of my African homies be like raving about jollof rice. So I was like, okay, it's a nice little vibe. They playing the music. The Africans working. Let me try this. Don't take this as me saying it's bad, because I'm killing this plate right now. But jollof rice is just overhyped as it rains. Like, just straight, just Cajun rice. Now, unless maybe I got a bad plate, it's my first time. Also got plantains. But it's good. But it's not like nothing crazy. I don't know what I expected. I'm happy with my purchase though. €10. That was good. Don't really know what else I'm doing today. Might meet a friend I made here. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna continue to walk around. I just seen the world clock. That was kind of cool, but like all the clocks not there, but it shows you like the different time zones. And then there's the little, yep. So, yeah. These last couple days, I really just been chilling, getting stuff done. Already been in Berlin, and shout out to our couch surfer. She allowed us to come back. So we're chilling. A lot of places I've already been, like by accident. Like didn't even know that there was something crazy. Like we went to, I don't even remember what we were looking for. Oh, we was looking for like this art gallery yesterday. Ended up in this whole like cool district. Turns out that's where they recorded Hunger Games. So it's like just walking around, you really find stuff. Shout out to that Russian dude that told us in Amsterdam, like, yo, the best way to experience the cities in Europe is to just walk. And I would 100% agree. Like, you can know what you want to do, but if you got time, like, hop on the public transit and just walk in a place you've never seen before, and you're gonna find something cool. But that's about it for this video. I really just wanted to come say like jollof rice is good, but like it's just overpriced. I mean not overpriced. It's just as a rent, bro. It's just as a rent. So if any Africans are watching this, like y'all want to challenge me, bro, send me a plate. Send me a plate so I can see what the difference is. But we got the happy plate.
Told you better than that.
Coming to you live
Straight from
Mackey's
Mackey's.
in Berlin.
Right next to the Checkpoint Charlie. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, let me give y'all the view. We're sitting at an outside rooftop McDonald's across from Checkpoint Charlie.
Checkpoint Charlie.
Look,
Real checkpoint right there.
right there. Let's just get up through the whole thing because this McDonald's is amazing. Who knew? Who knew? And so this drink I just showed you, it's not a frappe. It is a iced caramel chocolate shake with chocolate and caramel. Then
Show what I got.
hold up. He got a bag of lettuce.
Bag of lettuce.
Look what I got. That's a pizza roll.
You didn't know.
If you didn't know. And now we finna try the pizza roll. And it says it's chicken. A chicken pizza roll. It's a real pizza roll.
Chicken probably made out of pork, but
Can't even taste the pizza.
don't say nothing.
I mean, can't even taste the chicken. Hold up.
Hell nobody.
Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna have to tell that boy Jarvis. He gotta stop saying when McDonald's sell pizza.
They sell pizza.
They sell pizza.
They sell pizza. And this fucking beef burger probably made out of pork too, but hey, don't tell nobody.
It's actually horse meat. Pizza pocket from McDonald's, aka pizza roll.
Because McDonald's actually
fuck with you outside of the states.
they won't fuck your order up, but that's a lie. They will fuck your order up. McDonald's is McDonald's wherever you go.
That's indeed true. This shake magnificente. Let's check the fries. Rocking the good core. I took to McDonald's. Also, random bit of information learned from being in Europe. This country. What's on?
You are leaving the American sector.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Really real.
They got the dude up there too. That must be Charlie. Let me show y'all this song. But most of the European, let me not say most, but heavily, a large amount of the European economy is truly based off of tourism. And I mean like a very large percent. They nickel and dime you for everything with tourism. If you're around tourism, it's nuts. But that must be Charlie. That guy. That's the sign. You can't really read it, so I'll probably have to insert the picture. Just to McDonald's on a Tuesday. Oh, it's Wednesday. On a Wednesday. So, we've left Berlin, and I'm currently in Munich. And this is, we're in the last week. It's like the last 5 days, 6 days at this point. Talking to his hostel. So, Germany has the nicest trains, right? That was kind of definitely direct into the, but this is what this whole video finna be about. Germany has the nicest trains so far that we've used. It's like 50 days at this point, 50 some days. The German trains are very high quality. They are nice looking, comfortable. That was wild. Flying. That was a German train. That was a German train. But man, we've had the worst times doing everything leaving Germany, bro. So German trains are very nice, high quality trains, like good Wi-Fi, nice bathrooms, nice train ambiance, period. Like very high quality train. I would say first class of trains, right? But they're very inefficient. They're always late. Customer service is terrible. I give them customer service 5 out of 10 because it's not always bad, but a lot of times it's bad. They're just not dependable trains, bro. They're not dependable. Like, we got up at 2 in the morning to get on the train at 4 to get to where we was going today by 1500, which is 3 o'clock. It's currently 1, and I'm still in Germany. because these trains, the train I'm currently waiting on is late. But the train I was on earlier at 4 in the morning was late. So I missed the transfer to the next train. And then they schedule their trains so close, like if it missed by 2 minutes, you can't get on the train. So like our train stopped today for an hour, like in the first 30 minutes, like not just stopped, but like the whole thing like shut down, like power went out. What's going on, you know? So we got here late, couldn't book the next train. Then turns out every train to Italy from Germany is booked for the next week. Huh? The Olympics is in Paris, not Italy. Like, I don't know what's going on. We should have just went to Paris. This is the second time having problems out of Germany. The train now is about 5 minutes late. And I'm just sitting here on my bags. But I needed to make a video about the German trains. In contrast, the worst train we've been on was the train ride from Budapest to Istanbul, which was like 48 hours. The trains were terrible quality-wise, but bro, they were so efficient. Like, it's a trade-off. Like, you get bad train. The people were nice. I mean, they couldn't really speak English, but like, they wasn't dickheads. Sheesh, my hair looks crazy. But yeah, the people were nice. The quality was pretty bad. They said it's a rather new train system. The train was not, it was hot, it stunk. Not enjoyable at all, but we got a sleeper car. Again, the staff was nice and helpful. And it was on time, bro. Like our train, that train ride stopped. We stopped in the middle of Bulgaria somewhere. And we was there for like 2 hours. And matter of fact, we actually made it to Istanbul maybe not 2 hours early, but we made it to Istanbul early. As opposed to these German trains where you get on and you're gonna be late. So if you are riding through Germany, just know you're gonna be late. We're probably not gonna make our Flixbus. Everything gonna be late, bro. Everything gonna be late. We're not gonna make our. We had to get a Flixbus. We haven't. Oh, and let me. I might as well put this in there too. We haven't got a Flixbus this entire trip. Everybody said they get Flixbuses. We haven't got one. Like, if you go to the Balkans, bro, and you're traveling, I don't know. I'm gonna tell you from my personal experience.
Your ass ain't getting a Flixbus.
You're not getting a Flixbus.
It's a third party.
A third party bus. It might not have air.
Oh shit! It definitely might not have.
And it won't have a bathroom, and there won't be Wi-Fi. And it won't have a charging thing. So you're just gonna be in a hot bus for hours.
Don't take a bus. Lord, it's around. Don't do it.
It's the only way to get to. It's the only way.
Bus is from the 70s. Don't do it.
Unfortunately, it is the only way to get around Albania. Period. Is their buses. They're only €7. So in that case, it's not terrible, but they are terrible buses, and the people will pack them out, and they are very tiny. They're supposed to maybe fit 12 people, and they try to put like 40 on it, and it's actually crazy. And it's hot. They don't have air. They don't. But even the other buses, like the big buses that we've taken, we haven't gotten the Flixbus yet. We just had to change our plans here in Munich to get a Flixbus when we get to Verona. But this train is late. As I'm making this video, the train we talking about is 10 minutes late. 10 minutes late, which means our transfer to the next train is in 9 minutes after we get off the train, if it was on time, which means we not fucking making it. I don't know where we're gonna end up tonight, but we probably not making it to Florence. And this is Oh, snap. But we're not making it. We had 9 minutes to transfer. The next one, we only had 3 minutes to transfer. Well, that's the end of this video. That was my rant about traveling in Germany, bro. If you travel in Germany, bro, you might as well just get a plane. If you backpacking in Germany, if anybody ever watches this and you backpack through Germany, just know add a day to whatever your travel is gonna be. A whole day, not an hour, not 30 minutes, a whole day. This is the train to, I think this is us. No, that's to Bologna. This is the train to Bologna. That train is 20 minutes late. Our train is still not here. Fuck. Closing words, if you get a train, if you've traveled through Germany, bro, leave a day early. That's it.
Mira,